Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to install Jupyter Notebook on your Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. Now, at first, just go to your search bar and type cmd because we need to check if Python is installed before installing Jupyter Notebook. So, in cmd, type python ---- version, and after that, it should return with a Python version. If it does, it means your Python is installed, and if it doesn't, it means you don't have Python installed. So if you don't have it installed, just go to your browser on Google, search Python, download, and then just go to the first link. You can download anything, any of the Python version that you like. Just download them and install them. After that, check this again. This time Python version should work. And if it works, just go ahead and open up a folder. I have created one already. It says Jupyter project. I'm gonna go inside it. Just right click anywhere and click on open terminal. And in here you need to do is pip install Jupyter and hit enter. Then just give it some time. It will install Jupyter Notebook for you. And after your Jupyter has been installed, what you need to do is make sure you're in the same file directory where you have the folder. Then just type Jupyter space notebook and hit enter. This is gonna run Jupyter Notebook for you. Just give it some time. And there you go. Jupyter Notebook has been launched. There you go. And basically that is how to install Jupyter Notebook on your Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.